Hey, this is Coach Bill at 305, and we just got a new piece of gear, so we are going to go ahead and do an unboxing video and take a look at this. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so I ordered this from Garage Ground Gear. They actually have a ton of great stuff, but let's go ahead and open this. So Garage Ground Gear, so they actually advertise all the time. I order so much stuff from these guys. Great company, great discount price, and if you're looking for ultralight stuff, highly recommend these guys. And these are nylon pack liners, and they weigh about like 1 ounce each. They're about $2.40, but I got 2 of these, and the reason why I needed to get them because my old pack liners are starting to get a little holy. But this is what I'm excited about. So this is the Alpenflow fuel transfer valve. And this weighs 2.4 grams. And it doesn't even look like much. So I'm excited to test this thing out. Looks like there's some instructions on how to use it. But I'm excited. This is... wow, it comes straight off. There's really not much to this. Well, I want to kind of give you my first impressions on this and also test it out, see if it actually works. But let's go ahead and get some specs on it. So we're going to take a quick little measurement on this, the weight measurement, and it claims that it's 2.4 grams. And we got that set at 0. And that's showing 2 grams because it can't go up to 3. Wow, this is really light. And the competitor that I've been using is this. I actually forget the name of this, but I've made a ton of videos on this, how to transfer fuel. So I kind of know these items pretty well. And this weighs 24 grams, which is almost 1 ounce. Let me just double, yeah, 0.4 ounces. And that's 0.8 ounces. So we're actually going to go ahead and test this out because I want to see if it works. And I'm just excited because this might be a new little thru-hiker backpacking gear option. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to weigh this. I just got this out of the freezer and left it in there for about 15 minutes. And it weighs, let's do it by grams, 160 grams. And then this has been in some hot water, just boiling water, nothing too crazy. And let's weigh this. This weighs 190. So this is almost empty. So this is something that would be more realistic if you're, through hiking and you had this piece of equipment, because someone wouldn't take this right here because it doesn't have a lot of gas in it. Like I'm shaking it and you can hardly hear anything in it. So what I think that you're supposed to do, again, I've never used this. This is all first impressions on it. So I'm just going to place this on top. And let's see, I guess I'll go like this. And just push this together. I don't know if I'm doing that correctly. This doesn't look right. Well, let's see. This thing was already pretty much full. Yeah, I got 5 grams. I think I lost a lot. I lost about 10. So what if I just put this on here? Is gas going to come out? Yeah, so gas comes straight out of here. All right. And I assume I do it that way too. So, again, we'll try. Maybe this is just too full, to be honest. Does this screw on at all? No, it doesn't screw on. So, from what I read, it's just you just press it down for 5 to 10 seconds. That's what it says right here. You just press it down So I already have the two temperatures different. And it says or. I don't know what or means. Okay, well, let's go ahead and push it down and see if it works again. All right, wish me luck. So 5 to 10 seconds. I'm pushing pretty hard. Oh. Okay, I was pushing really hard. Okay, let's weigh this. We're almost at 179. We're at 165. We're gonna do a little bit more because I know it can take more. Because this weighs 184. This one weighs almost 190. So I'm gonna go a little bit more and see how well this thing works. Okay, again, I'm gonna push down, and you really gotta push really hard on this, surprisingly. That is tough. I think I have too much gas in this one. 181 and 163. So what are my first impressions on the Alpenflow? Well, I'm actually pretty impressed by it. It's very light. And if I was through hiking, I would definitely be taking this if I use a canister stove. But what do I think between the two? This is the other fuel canister transfer that I use. And the two biggest takeaways from these ones, well, this one you screw on both canisters, and then you have this little mechanism right here that turns it on and off. And the little Alpenflow, well, it requires some pressure. So you actually got to push down on it. So you actually might want to get on top of it to actually push it down. But if I'm through hiking, yes, I'm definitely taking this thing because it weighs 2 grams. So if you like videos like this where I'm testing out new gear, and if you're into backpacking trips and stuff, you might want to check out some of these videos right here. I got gearless videos for ends and hammocks. So again, this is Coach Bill 305, and yeah!
Buddy! The Alpenflow! Yeah, the Alpenflow. Yep.
This is beautiful Lindell Gorge.